Let's check how ATF coin mining. Let's check how ATF coin mining and see how we can withdraw. So this is me. This is my mining page. This is my balance. So let's claim what's available here. So that has been added to my balance. So before we start the withdrawal process in earnest, let's check the frames and see if we have something to claim. Alright, that has been added and my mining speed boosted. We even have team wallets. Looks like I still have something here to claim. I have nothing to claim. Alright, let me claim this into my assets. So of course there are tasks that you could complete to amass more ETF. So on the profile page here, it says my asset is worth 3.8 USD at the moment, right? So let's see how we can withdraw. Let's click on withdraw button here. Minimum withdrawal is 500 ATF while transaction fees 70. So I want to enter everything. So I think this button here says max. So let me tap on it. Everything has been imputed. Let me click on confirm. Request this, proceed. To confirm withdrawal by solving this captcha, I'm seeing 8C6RW. Verify. Withdrawal request submitted and my balance has been reset. Everything to 0. Back to the home page. That's good. Now let me claim this. What I just claimed now has become my new balance. So I don't know how long it will take, but we'll wait. Alright, my wallet is already connected. If you're wondering why I did not submit the wallet ID, I already connected and authenticated the wallet. That's why. So I'm currently on level 115. I have 15 successful referrals out of 25. It means 10 have not, completed their registration process. So under the profile here, there is a withdrawal history. Let's check it. It says my withdrawal is pending. This amount fee, I will receive this. This is the date and this is the wallet. It's pending, so we'll wait for it. All right, so after some hours, let's come back to history here. And it says my withdrawal has been approved. This amount, so fees, I will receive 1712 ATF. Now this is the wallet and this is the transaction hash. Now let's go over to my Ton wallet. And it says I have 1712 ATF. And my 1712 ATF is currently worth 5.57 USD. So what now? So this alone proves that the platform is actually working and you can request, withdraw, and receive. Now what's next? To confirm the legitimacy of this token, is it actually trading? Can you swap it? That's what we're about to find out right now. So what do we do? Can we trade it directly here or we need another site? Let's find out. So I just clicked on it and let's click on sell. So let's click on max. Let's see. So it says this will give me 3.818 gram. Now let's go and confirm the price of gram to be sure we're not getting cheated, because we already know the value of 1712 ETF. So 1 gram is around 1.45 US dollars. So let's do the maths. Here is the exchange ratio. 1 ETF is equivalent to this right here, 0.00227 gram, and then 1 gram is equivalent to 439.95 ETF, right? So I think the difference might not be too much, right? We're talking about 3.8. So let's continue, and this is provided by stonfi. It says I do not have enough funds to cover for transaction fees. Required blockchain fees is 0.2, whereas I have 0.15. So I need to recharge in order to, continue with this. Now, do you know the funny thing? I think when it was torn, right? When the token name was still torn, they had the lowest transaction fees. I mean, you could find. I mean, some of the transactions were literally free. So now they have changed their name and they need 0.26 gram for a transaction. Okay, so I understand this is not BTC, but just imagine having to pay 0.2 BTC for a transaction. That would be outrageous, right? So this is high. This is high. Let's see if there's any other way. I'm visiting the stonfi site itself. Confirm and agree. Let me click on connect wallet. Connect. So I'll click on swap on stonfi here. So let me switch this. So ATF goes up and gram comes down. I don't need to connect the wallet again because it's not showing. Connect tonkeeper. Connect. All right, my balance is now here. So let me tap on my balance. It's been imputed, equivalent of 5.59 dollars. That's 3.82 gram. It says insufficient gram. 1 gram is this. Insufficient gram. Now estimated blockchain fee 0.0153 gram. Okay, so it looks like the rate on this stonfi itself is lower than what you have out there. So doesn't mean I don't have this amount. Estimated blockchain fee 0.015. Come on, I have 0.15. So guys, this is me trying to see if the shade is actually true, legit, and anything to write home about, right? So I'm gonna just look for some grams and try this again. I don't know why they're asking for some ridiculous amount of ton for gas fees. It's not cool, right? It's not at all. But this is it. So guys, the withdrawal has been received on tonkeeper, right? So that's my finding so far. So watch out for a video on how to exchange your ATF token to gram, which you can withdraw to any exchange out there and swap to USDT, right? That's what's up. That's where we are. And the only reason why I'm not doing the swap right now is because I do not have the required gas fee, but I'm going to sort that out and I'll bring you a separate tutorial to the regard. So thanks so much. In the meantime, since it's actually, paying out, maybe you should give it a try, but this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial expert, so you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. Peace out.